Problem 1, TwoSum. Let's see how to solve this. I've solved it before, but I don't really remember how to solve it, and I also haven't done any leak code other than TwoSum and like a few other ones, so I'm here to document my progress. So I do remember that I had to make a hash map, and I think this is how you do it. I don't even remember how to set it up, but I think this is what I'm supposed to do. And then I'm just gonna copy this and comment it on the bottom so I can visually see what I'm supposed to be doing. I'm gonna let me first make the array because I know I have to return an array at the end. So I'm just gonna name this r new int 2. I'm not even too sure how to use a hash map. I completely forgot. Do they have like all of the, here I think is what I need to use. Okay, so how do I solve this? I need to make sure that I iterate through the entire array, the given array that's being passed in, right? Because I need to know what contents that I'm looking at. And so I'm going to use a for loop to check all of the contents. How do I even put values in a hash map? I think it's just put, right? Put key value. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let me just do it the long way first to see if this is right. How do I do that? Map.put, and then I want to put in not the actual value, but the target minus the value at the current position. And then I could just return, and then the value would just be the actual index of that specific element, right? So actually, I think I could do like if the map dot contains key and oh yeah, if it contains target minus nums I. Wait, sorry. No, just nums I? Has to be nums I because let's say I have, let me just read this again, right? Let's say I have this value right here. The hash map should look something like, let's see. So I'm just gonna grab target minus that. So it should be 9 minus 2, which is 7, 9 minus 7, which is 2, 9 minus 11, which is negative 2, 9 minus 15, which is negative 6, I think. So yeah, it doesn't really matter that these are negative because I already know. I'm doing a conditional here to check if the key is inside, right? So let's say that I'm at this position here. I stored 7, then I went over to the next iteration, which is 7. 7 is in the hash map. Yeah, so I need to look at the actual, yeah. So if 7's already in the hash map, that means I've already encountered its other pair that add up to the target, right? That makes sense. So, yeah, so if not, then I should add it. Yeah, if not, then just add it to the actual hash map. But if it is, then I need to get the value at that current position. And let me first keep in mind that if everything fails, right? If everything fails, then just return the array. And then, let's see. How did I solve this? Yeah, I think I have the answers. How do I, so like get? How do you even, what is get? So returns the value which the specified key is mapped. Yeah, returns the value to which the specified key. Yeah. So I think, why am I having such a hard time visualizing this? I just have to do map.get. Yeah, so let's just say like int position 1 for like 1 is equal to this one. And then I'm going to have like another one, which is 2, right? And then something like this, right? Where it's like the first one is equal to 1, and then is equal to 2, right? And then I'm just going to return R here. And I think that works, right? So how do I so the first position, so let's see, let me go back to this example. It has to be 2 and 7. 2, 7. Wait, what am I not getting? Why can't I do this? It's not clicking. Let me just do this. Right, I want to get, so if I'm at 7, yeah. Then I need to go back. So 7 will be here. I need to get this value, right? Yeah, and then this one just be I, right? Because in this case, in the first example, this one is getting 7. And 7 in the hash map value is just 0, right? So getting 7, getting value of key 7, which is 0. So this one should be 0, and then this one's just the current position. So, and then the current position would be the actual, because I'm iterating through the nums array. So the current position is 1. So this one would just be getting 1, or I is equal to 1, right? Yeah, this looks right. Probably have like a semicolon or like, I knew it. How did I know? You have attempted to run, wait, what? Ooh, what? Can I just see what's wrong with my code? Incompatible types, int cannot be converted to Boolean? Wait, what does that mean? I thought this is nums. Wait, what? Nums.length. Am I missing something? Incompatible types? What? What am I doing wrong? Finding the length of an array. Oh, in Java. No, not array list. Yeah, but these are for strings. Integers are primitive types, so I don't need the parentheses at the end. Wait, wait, what? What am I doing wrong? Wait, what? What am I doing wrong? Is this even, why is the for loop failing? Incompatible types cannot be converted to Boolean. Okay, this doesn't seem like the problem, even though that's where the error is. It looks like, okay, well, let's just comment this, right? Is it even the for loop that's the problem? Like, let's say I just return R. Wait, what? Am I doing something wrong? Int I is equal to 0, nums.length is equal to I++. Oh my god. Okay, so what did it gave me 0, 0? How's that possible? What did it give me here? Oh, it's giving me 0, 0 for everything. Meaning that, is it returning here? Wait, why do I have so many return statements? No. Okay, it looks right. Submit. Nice. Beats 27.2%. What? Oh, wait. In memory. 82.8. Okay, so you can see here that I have solved it. Last time was 3 months ago. My first attempt ever was so long ago. What was wrong with this one? I was doing a hash set. I don't even know what is a hash set. I completely forgot. What did I do here? Okay, yeah. So I basically. Oh, you know what? Yeah, I can definitely cut corners here. Yeah, I don't know why I did it this way. Yeah, so I don't actually have to initialize it into a variable. What am I doing? I haven't coded in Java in so long. Okay, yeah. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. Nice.